is he copying somebody, or is he following some guidelines, or does he have the originality or not? That's what we check in actually, because science is different from what is exactly the other fields. Suppose if you can train a student for singing, you can train for dancing, you cannot train for a science, because I am teaching physics. I can tell you, even though I teach thousands of students every year, only one fellow will get the first rank. So that first ranker is a product of the college, but he is getting first rank because of his own efforts, not because of my teaching only. Because I am teaching the same teaching lesson to all the 1,000 students in the classroom. So when it comes to particular student like this, and this particular model exhibition it consists of two parts. First thing is, one thing is model, second thing is explanation. First of all, that particular student has to show what is happening. Then he has to explain later what is the part. But major what they are doing, majority of the students, they are explaining the parts of the particular project. This is made up of this, this is made up of this. Actually, many of the things which when you see a plastic bottle, you can see, this is a plastic bottle, this is a thermocol, that we can make it out. So why exactly or how exactly he is doing that one? What is the message behind that? What is the science behind it? So he need not mention the law, actual law, but he should mention what is the principle governing the law. So basically, whether you are the judge or I am the judge, I am going to ask you the same question. On what principle it works? It's simple. That's all. That application, that principle is same. Principle is you cannot change, I cannot change. That's already there. So application, you are having so many applications of your work. So that he has to explain.
Thank you. I'm feeling proud and privileged to have you here in the venue. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, thank you very much for being here.
Sound.
Thank you very much for being here. It was a great day to have you here, and I think it has been a long day for you, and you have seen almost 60 projects. I think you have come across many things. So I wanted to have your opinion over the program, how it has happened, and I also want to have your feedback so that we can improve for the next time.
Definitely. It's very great to see at the age of when they are in third class or fourth class, the exhibits and the way of presentation is simply super. Because of the training and feedback what they are getting from you people, Brain Cafe people and school management, what the environment they are providing is excellent, simply excellent. Okay, everybody tried their level best to be in race, and at the end of the day only one or two will be in the race. So what the exhibits they are presenting, in some standards they are much beyond their maturity level, and they are able to handle the things in such a way, nice manner that they really deserves to be the first in this race. And coming to the concept, the Brain Cafe team, what they are doing, purely professionality they are showing in each and every aspect, whether it is providing the environment or everything, what not everything, in every aspect. And yes, when I am going through personally through the students, they are saying that their mentors at the school level, they are guiding us, they are clarifying their doubts and all these things, which is a great to know. So even regular teacher may not have that much time to clarify their doubts, and you people are professional and are doing that. You are doing great job undoubtedly, and I'm fortunate to be a part in this great program, and I want to be a part in this program. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening to everyone.
I think your child won prize, Mr. Subramaniam.
Yes.
So, how are you feeling after winning the prize? Your child has won. How are you feeling?
It's a great feeling, and it's in fact more than the winning the prize. the atmosphere and the environment, the learning curve, what he had today, and even being the parents were closely watching the entire contest, the way it has been organized. It's very well organized. I appreciate for the kind of effort that Brain Cafe has taken, a meticulous planning on the these. And it's a big, I would like to feel it's a great opportunity for the young children, and it's a great encouragement for the youngsters to bring out their innovative skills onto the board and then compete and perform and show their talent and progress further. So this is a very unique program designed by the Brain Cafe. I don't think any regular teaching can do this kind of job. I appreciate and I thanks for the great opportunity for me. And I hope many events and more frequently should be organized. And I see a bright future for this organization.
Thank you for that, sir. And he is going to the next level, state level, your child. So any further plans for the state level?
Obviously, the kind of today, the concern of the environment, we would like to stick on to that and then do more innovation. I would like to take up my child to some concrete action or steps suggested for the protecting our environment.
Thank you very much, sir, and all the best, very best for the next level also even. Thank you. Found in the zonal level. So I think you are feeling happy on this day.
Definitely, happy the word is not sufficient. Because mainly, I failed almost from school level. Now she is very confident that I can go to national level with my project. She is very confident. Even though I plan to touch some few words, even though I failed one thing, I decided to talk mainly Brain Cafe, the concept devised by e-learning. The unique concept in India. Students from lower level, grassroots level, exploring their ideas, budding scientists. So they explored by this contest. Encouragement is the first thing. They will be encouraged like anything. But from the last year, my daughter, she is encouraged like anything. She went up to spine surgery this year also. On the bed also, she is thinking of when the budding scientist contest will be held. I have to participate in that. So that is the motivation we got from the contest. Mainly, after 3 months on the bed, after major surgery, just 1 month back she came to the school. So even on bed in house also, she is thinking of when the contest will be conducted. I have to participate in that contest. Like that, she is feeling. So means that motivation through only BKF, Brain Cafe, my daughter has overcome. Otherwise, so many science talent examinations, experiments will be conducted all over the state India from since a long. But this type of atmosphere, you won't find anywhere.
Organizing the team is very
Judgment part I want to speak. It is very transparent. Even at national level also. Last year at Bombay, the judgment part, the judges. They were not at all influenced by anybody because in an open hall they arranged the entire competition. After the judges' exhibition, everything is over. The judges simply sat over the dais where the entire program is conducted. There only they decided the prize winners. That means it is very transparent and nobody approached them the dais. Even though only 3 or 4 judges they sat on the dais and finalized the prize winners' names. That is the transparency we appreciate like anything. So that when announcing the prizes at Mumbai, they asked any guesses. So the children, instead of telling their names, they told the prize winners' names in some occasions. The same names appeared in the prize winners' list. So that is the children also thought that that boy should win. He has the better project. That girl should win. They showed the better project. Like that, the children also motivated in these competitions.
The organization, Brain Cafe organization is very good. The treatment is very good. and the receiving is good. Everything is very good. We felt very happy, and this time is very, very, very happy we are by seeing well organizing rather than last time. So this is well developed and very nice, very good. We are very thankful to Brain Team.
Mainly, encouragement from coach will be allotted to some schools, not only one school, some two or like Mr. Gaul sir, some 2 or 3 schools I suppose. So the encouragement from them, coaching the students is very much advantage to us also. They are guiding the parents, students also in preparing the project model like that. So the encouragement is excellent. So, I request Brain Cafe to continue this type of activity in all schools of Hyderabad local in future also, so that other children of other schools also benefited by this project. Motivative ideas will come to them. Thank you very much.
Right, sir, thank you very much to have you here, and all the best, very best for the next level event. Definitely, always it will be there. Thank you. Second prize you won, isn't it? So how are you feeling now?
I'm very happy to get this. I'm promoting to the state level. Thank you for the judges and thank you for us.
Thank you very much. It is your effort and it is your hard work, and really you participated. That means you have taken your registration on the last day of enrollment, isn't it? So, but that means that means definitely I should participate. That kind of enthusiasm actually, with that actually I have allowed you to take the registration. Okay. So keep on, continue with the same kind of spirit, continue with the same kind of enthusiasm, and try to get prize this time, even not in the state level I'm talking about, even in the national level, right? So any plans for the national level or state level as such? No, you don't have any plan. You have to plan for you have some time, and during this time you want to plan. Am I?
Sir.
Very good. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Feeling little happy, sir, but I need more improvement. I should prepare for state level. And why did I select this project? Can anybody answer, sir?
Then you have the only person standing here. You have to answer that. I am the only person standing here. I cannot answer. Please, you only tell. Why did you select this project?
Why? Because, sir, recently COP11 came to Hyderabad. It was conducted in Hyderabad, and few experts from 193 countries came to Hyderabad and did research. So, if our nature is getting damaged, it's a problem to us. So, to avoid that, I selected this project. In future, maybe this may be used. First, I would thank all my parents, teachers, and my sirs and people who encouraged me for going to zonal level. And from zonal level, now I am going to state level, Bombay.
Actually, you are going to state level, which is going to be there in Hyderabad itself. Then we will have national level. Anyhow, so we'll be intimating you that very soon. Anyhow, any plans as such for the state level? Do you have any idea?
Sir, I am thinking that biodiversity is better one, and I will make few changes and some upgrades in the biodiversity and put it.
Great, congratulations and all the very best for the next event. Right? Thank you very much to be here. From which school you are? Yes?
Master Grammar High School.
Master Grammar High School. Great. So you won the prize today.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling after winning the prize?
I am feeling very happy. I am getting the prize now.
Okay, you got the prize and you are feeling very happy. So you are going to the state level again. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So any plans for the state level?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you have already plans also for the state level. Great. So all the very best and congratulations for winning in the zonal level. Okay? Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm very happy.
Oh, without asking my question, you are giving answer. How are you feeling?
I'm very glad and I'm feeling very glad and happy for winning the zonal level. I'm going to the next level, that is state level.
Okay, you are going to state level. So very soon you will be participating, and all over that means many participants will be coming throughout the state. You have idea?
Oh yeah.
So you need to be more prepared, right?
Yes.
And you need to be more calculated.
Yes, sir.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So all the very best for the next level,
Thank you, sir.
and congratulations for winning this level. Okay? Right. Thank you. Good evening, Shashank.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
How are you feeling after winning the zonal level?
I am very happy.
You are very happy.
Yes, sir.
Right. Which prize you won today?
I won music and music.
You won music. I mean to ask you first prize or second prize or third prize?
Second prize.
Second prize you won, right? So, are you ready for the state level?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you have any idea or any plan for the state level now?
I will think, sir.
You will think of. You don't have right now any idea, but as you have got some time, you will think of it, right?
Yes, sir.
So, all the very best for the next level.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. How are you feeling after winning the zonal level contest?
I'm feeling very happy after winning the zone.
How do you feel after seeing other projects in budding scientist contest? Did you guess that you will win the prize today?
Yes.
You guessed it. So after seeing the other projects, you guessed it that you are going to win the prize. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So which prize you have got today? Third prize. Did you guess third prize you will win, or the first prize or the second prize also you may there are chances to win? You thought that I may win even first and second prize also, but you have won third prize. But no problem. Anyhow, you won. Congratulations. Okay. Any plans for the next level? No? Okay, you will think further about the plans and ideas, right? So all the very best for the next level, and once again congratulations for winning zonal level contest.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
అరే ఎట్లా రావాలన్నా రెండు బ్యాగులు పట్టుకొని పొద్దు నుంచి కంటిన్యూ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసి నేను బస్లో గిస్లో ఏం రానన్నా నేను రాను ఇక. ఓపిక లేదు నాకు పొద్దు నుంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసి నాకు ఓపిక లేదు. ఏడు బస్ స్టాప్ ఆయన వెళ్ళిపోతాడు, నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోతావు, మధ్యలో నేను బలి కావాలి. రెండోసారి ఇది ఇక మాట్లాడు.
మెమరీ కార్డు ఉందా? మాది పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది ఇది 2GB.
వాడు ఇస్తానే మరి చిన్న స్టెప్ జీవన్ గారు చాలా ఆయన మాట్లాడినా